Everybody, it's Keith with L1 Automotive Diagnostics and Programming. We've got two big announcements for you. First, we're going to be offering remote programming through a variety of different hardware devices that are out there. The second announcement is that we have been added to the NASTIF Air Providers list. There are currently 3 companies in the country that are able to do remote programming events that are through the NASTIF system that would traditionally require an LSID holder, or VSC, Vehicle Security Credential is what it's now called, holder on site. Because you had to be on site, that kind of really restricted us to not being able to do those for anyone outside of our normal service area here in Tulsa. NASTIF did work with the OEs and get the air system up and running, so it is out and available, and we are very proud to announce that we are one of the air providers. So if we're going to be providing these services, we need to be able to do other programming as well, and not just tell them, hey, you got to get that programmed, and whenever you need the immobilizer functions, give us a call. If you got any questions about that, you can contact NASTIF at nastf.org. or send an email to us, and we'll do our best to try to answer it for you. So back to reprogramming. Real quick, I'm going to run through our options for reprogramming that you may already have in your shop. Hopefully you already have it in your shop. So if you have a latest generation Autel like the Ultra, the 919, 909, or 906 Pro, all are soon to launch their remote expert software that allows someone like us to log in and perform programming through the tool. So we are going to offer that. The second option, if you're currently waiting on your Autel Remote Expert device to go, is if you have a J2534 device. Now, why I put those two together, because the VCMI for those devices and the MaxiFlash device that comes with the 909 all are J2534 compliant devices. So until that software is turned on in your tool and they launch it, which most likely will be after the release of this video, we can also help you if you have any JBox. So if you've got a Bosch or a Kardec, or even if you've got OE equipment and tooling like an MDI or a VCM2, if it connects to a USB port to your laptop, we can use that device just like it's plugged into our laptop. So if you have a J2534 device and a Windows-based PC, we can help you out as well. Launch is soon to release their SmartLink device, which some of you already have this device as a communication interface for your tool, but the SmartLink function isn't turned on yet. We've been beta testing this for over a year, and this is going to be a functional tool that will allow us to also perform those transactions. The next option is if you are an iScan or iScan SF user. If your device has the SOD software on it, we are an SOD provider, and we can also perform remote programming functions through that. So those are the options, as well as, like we said, if you're using an OE tool, we will do our best to assist you in that as well. So if you need immobilizer reprogramming like a parameter reset or a BCM PCM replace function on a Chrysler, or any of those things that would require an LSID to perform the repair of the vehicle, we can help you. And then if you need programming done on software modules using any of these devices, we can help you as well. So all you've got to do is go to l1programming.com, and then there's a form right there for you to fill out. Or to get to the same location, you can go to l1diagnostics.com and just click the Request a Remote Programming Event tab at the top. Fill out the information there, and we'll get a hold of you and set everything up for success for programming. I know there's going to be a ton of questions about how this works and what the limitations are and what can be done and can't be done. Unfortunately, I can't answer them all in a short video, so you can leave a question in the comments section, go to either one of those websites, and there's a Contact Us form at the bottom for general questions, or if you're ready and you need to get a job done, go ahead and fill out the request form, and we will get back to you by phone as quick as possible. So please let us know if there's anything else we can help you with.